My name is John Forde. I work in the Buildings and Maintenance Department, covering University Hospital Galway and Merlin Park University Hospital. I work amongst a fantastic staff here in our Buildings and Maintenance Department. Today I'm here to tell you how important it is to get the flu vaccine. To do that, I would like to tell you my story. 4 years ago, my wife and I looked forward at Christmas time to welcoming home our son Peter, who was coming home from Australia. Hadn't been home for a year and a half. We had a lot of preparations done, as you can imagine, all sorts of excitement. We collected him in Dublin. I wasn't feeling well. It was Christmas Eve. Christmas Day didn't happen for me. There was no parties. I couldn't partake. I was flat out. I knew I had the flu. Christmas night was a torturous night for me, when I had very severe symptoms. Stephen's Day, it continued, and after that I started to improve. For that reason, so that anybody else wouldn't go through such torture, I would like to encourage you, all HSE staff, healthcare staff, to get the flu vaccine.